Today lesson I'm going to show you how to practice dominant 7th chords. You know how to find chord notes. Previous lesson I explained C dominant 7th. You can practice like this. Is C note and it from this side. E note from this side. These are called inversions. This is the root position. When you play the chords like this, you feel the sound is not rich, right? The sound is boring. So I'll teach you how to get a rich sound and beautiful sound. The way you have to follow. Example, C dominant 7th. This is the first note, third, 5 and 7th. This third note you can play from this side, and 7th note from this side. And just see this way, and we'll take F7 and 7th note and third note. Right sound, you can feel a rich sound. Now B flat 7th, this is the third note and this is the 7th note. Now we'll take E flat, 7th note, third note. Now we'll take A flat, third note, 7th note. Now B flat, 7th note, third note. You can see a pattern, right? Right hand coming chromatically, right? See? This way. And left hand, also there's a pattern. Do you understand? This is E and B flat together. Now we'll go down chromatically. Then left hand. In the left hand you can see there's a small mathematical system. You can see the pattern reduce 7 semitones from C. C to B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand? Right, next note you can make from F reduce 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B flat from this side. Right? Again reduce 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E flat. From E flat also reduce 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A flat. From A flat also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D flat. From D flat 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand the way? This. So you can feel the difference. Now we'll see the left hand pattern We'll try to understand this method. Draw a circle and see. Write C here, and you can reduce 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this F. We'll write down F here. We'll go this side. F. From F, another 7 semitone. We'll go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B flat here. And the 7 semitone from B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is E flat. And from E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's A flat. From A flat, we'll reduce 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is B flat here. And from B flat, 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's G flat or F sharp you can use. From G flat down 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A here. And from A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G. So these bass notes anti-clockwise. C, F, E flat, E flat, A flat, D, G flat, D, A, sorry, E, A, B, G, C. We came back to C. The right hand are going chromatically. E and B. This is C 7th. This is F 7th. B flat 7th. E flat. A flat. Carefully see the right hand pattern. Here C 7th. Third note and 7 note. F 7th. 7 note and 3rd note here. B flat. 3rd note and 7 note. Again changing. E flat. 7 note, 3rd note. A flat. 3rd note, 7th note. B flat. 7th and 3rd. 3rd. G flat. 3rd and 7th. B. 7th and 3rd. E. 3rd and 7th. 7th. Then D. This is the 3rd note. And this is 7th note. We are moving to G. 7th and 3rd. Back to C. 3rd and 7th. So this is a circle. This method to practice dominant 7 chords. If you like this video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.